This is a video on how to find the area of a rectangle. Okay, a rectangle is made up of four sides. The longest one we normally call the length, and the shorter side we normally call the breadth. Some people call it length and width, which is also fine, but I call it length and breadth. So you can either find the area by counting squares. If you have 1 centimeter squares, 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter squares inside the shape. If not, we just multiply the length by the breadth. So the formula is length times breadth. And it's as easy as that, we just multiply the two together. Let's do an example. So I've shown you one where you're actually shown the squares inside. So all you can do is count them here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 squares that each represent 1 square centimetre. So that means the total area would be 18 square centimetres. If you're not shown the squares, but you know the length and the breadth, you just write your formula out. So area equals length times breadth, which is 6 times 3, which is 18. And again, we write the squared centimetres on as our units. Area is in 2 dimensions, so there should always be a little 2 up in the air when you're finding area. And the reason it works is because if you look at the squares, there are 3 rows and there's 6 in each row. So there's 3 lots of 6s or 6 lots of 3s, whatever way you want to look at it. And that's why we multiply the length and breadth together to get the area. If you're given a square, you have to remember that squares have the same length and breadth. So if I put a 5, we'll put meters on this one just to show you can get different units. If this length is 5 meters, the breadth will also be 5 meters. So how you would do it is you would say length times breadth, which is 5 times 5, which is 25 square centimeters. And that would be your answer.